Hi guys, it's Maddie, and today I will be making cereal bracelets. So all you will need is some sort of string, your favorite circle cereal, and some scissors. So you first take any sort of string you can find around your house. You want to measure it out to make sure it'll fit on your wrist, and then cut it. So once you cut it, I like to tie a knot on the end, and so then you cut off a piece of tape and attach it to some sort of surface to keep your string in place while you add the cereal. Okay, easy. Probably do this one in your kitchen, so maybe your kitchen counter or like a plate or something, whatever. So after you get everything ready to start your craft, I poured some cereal into a bowl and have my string ready. Go wash your hands. And then, so now you just add the cereal to the bracelets. I'm gonna do a pattern, put some pretty colors in there. So I like this pattern that I have. It's kind of a rainbow, but it's kind of just Fruit Loop. So you can put on as much as you want. You undo it. Probably have someone help you tie it around your wrist. And there you go. And then you have a cute little bracelet, but also a snack.